लोकांमदी एड्सा विशीं जागृताय घडोवन हाडपाचो यत्न गोंयांत चल्ला। ताचोच भाग म्हण कुजिरा विद्यार्थ्यांची रॅली जाली। गोंय राज्य एड्स नियंत्रण सोसायटीन पणजे संवसारीक एड्स दीस मनयलो। इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मिनेझिस ब्रागांजा हॉलान ही कार्यावळ जाली। अरुण कुमारान विद्यार्थ्यांक मार्गदर्शन केले। उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालयाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक इनामां भेटोवपाचो सुवाळोय जालो। कुजिराचे वसंतराव धेपे हाय सेकंडरीन रेड रिबन क्लबा वांगडा रॅली घडोवन हाडली। काय सर्ती जाल्यो पळयात।
The biology teachers have organized this rally for the students. Today we observe this day as that is 1st December as a World's AIDS Day, and the main motto behind having this is bringing awareness about this AIDS. There are various misconceptions as far as the AIDS is concerned, so main motto is bringing awareness, and this dates back in August 1988. This day is been celebrated as a World AIDS Day. But now what you can see is due to this awareness, the cases have declined a lot. There is no cure for this AIDS, but yes, it is said prevention is better than cure. So preventing this diseases by making aware the people what is the cause of it, and this is how my children from the MP High Secondary along with the teachers have having this rally. We are having a session also wherein Dr. Clive from Health Center from Chimbel, he will be addressing the students, and we are making use of this day to spread the awareness as far as the AIDS is concerned.
Today, on the occasion of National Youth Day and World AIDS Day, we have organized a variety of programs in our institution. Our students have prepared beautiful posters. We have organized a talk by a doctor about awareness on HIV/AIDS. Besides that, with the help of our teachers and a wonderful team we have today, we have organized a rally in Kujira village to bring about awareness on HIV/AIDS among the people in the village.
And we are spreading this message and to the youth that they have to stay away from this dreaded disease, and our main intention is give the message to the youth so that they pass on to their friends and to their relatives, and all are aware of what is the dreaded disease that takes life. In India, the government is making all efforts to see and to create an awareness regarding AIDS and HIV, and we as teachers and also the clubs they are formed, they also spread awareness in the form of lecturing, organizing resource persons, and we see that the students get the best knowledge and they take away good things and do away with all the vices, because this disease is spreading world over, and India is also coming to a bigger population, but the government is making full efforts to do away with this dread disease.
और यही असली टॉपिक है, क्योंकि जहाँ स्टिग्माइज्ड डिजीजेज हैं, जहाँ पे किसी डिजीज को लेके कोई स्टिग्मा होता है सोसाइटी में पर से, फैमिली तो हर डिजीज को लेके परेशान होती है, लेकिन सोसाइटी स्टिग्माइज होती है ऐसे डिजीज से, उसके लिए भी सोसाइटी आगे आती है, सोसाइटी आगे आके लड़ती है, और उस लड़ने के लिए सबसे सिंपल प्रिंसिपल जो मैं फील करता हूँ जो जीवन में, एक्सेप्टेंस, जो भी है एज इज वेयर इज बेसिस पे है। तो जब हम देखेंगे यदि है कोई पेशेंट होता है तो उसको ये भय नहीं होगा कि सोसाइटी हमें स्टिग्माइज करेगी या कोई हमारे ऊपर कोई एक्सपर्सन कास्ट होगा, कुछ होगा, तो खुद ही आएंगे, ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे। बाकी बीमारियों की तरह ये भी बीमारी है, और ये हमारे सिस्टम की, हमारी सोसाइटी की पर से इवोल्यूशन की प्रॉब्लम्स रही, मॉडर्नाइजेशन की प्रॉब्लम रही है कि एक डिजीज जो एनिमल किंगडम में थी वो जंप करके ह्यूमन्स में आई। अभी
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, गौतमी गांवकार आणि निखिल जल्मी।